Why do you continue to lose thousands of dollars each year because you don't have proper bookkeeping, good bookkeeping in your business? This is a real issue. And a lot of business owners, you don't realize the impact that not having adequate, correct bookkeeping practices in your business are how it's affecting your business. So in this video, we talk about why do you continue to lose thousands of dollars each year because your bookkeeping is not, up to date, it's not in the correct state. And I'm also going to get into how you're losing all this money each year. I am Kersha Campbell. I spearhead a growth-oriented organization where we're passionate about helping business owners say goodbye to those money leaks. You're having more monies leaving your business than coming into your business. Say goodbye to financial chaos. You don't have effective systems and operations in your business. Saying goodbye to frustration and overwhelm, the sleepless nights about the constant bank overdrafts that are happening in your business, and so much more. So I do connect with you as the business owner, the entrepreneur, the organization to help you to say goodbye to all that. Just partnering with you to turn things around in your company, in your business, your organization. So let's dive in. How is it that not having correct, accurate bookkeeping is costing you money in your business? Number one, you are paying more taxes than you need to be paying. Yes. Not having the right setup in your business, it is impacting your taxes that you're paying. So when you don't have adequate and correct good bookkeeping in your business, what that means is that you have missing transactions. Missing transactions, for example, do have the potential to cost you up to $1 more in taxes. Yes, depending on your tax regulations, the industry you're in, your tax bracket, it will be costing you all that much money in additional taxes that you don't have to pay. So because you are very disorganized as a business owner, you don't have all your transactions in your accounting system, your software, you have missing transactions, it is costing you. Another thing is the incorrect categorization, recording. You're probably recording a piece of equipment as an expense or vice versa. And these will be impacting your business as well. So you are in the wrong category. So again, it's the wrong tax bracket. It's the wrong, tax, the class, the wrong tax rate, that taxation rate that's been applied. And then you're paying more taxes than you really need to be paying. So it is costing you. And I'll quickly talk about the time value of money. Remember that $1 today is not worth $1 tomorrow. So you might look at it and say, oh, it's not a big deal. However, it eventually adds up. And when you think about it, wow, I could have had all these monies in my business, but I was paying too much on taxes, right? And that is really, really sad. It's really scary when you think of it, how it really, the magnitude of how it can be impacting your business as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, as an organization, a company. It can really impact you in that way. The other way, not having good bookkeeping in your business is impacting your bottom line, your cash flow as well, is because you are making decisions on incorrect information. So you're making decisions on your strategy. You're making decisions on, okay, probably I should, you know, go into this product line or this service or expand my business this way. I should purchase or lease, things like you're making decisions on information that is not correct, right? It all starts with accurate bookkeeping. I cannot stress that enough. A lot of times we think of, I'm from Jamaica, so we're home to the fastest man in the world, Usain Bolt. So I remember years ago when Usain Bolt when he won his first medal, a lot of the reporters, they came back to Jamaica. They came to Jamaica because they were like, "What is happening? Where did this actually start? How did he what led him to becoming such a superstar. And they went to his hometown. They were interviewing his parents. They wanted to know, okay, what was he eating? What were his daily practices, his daily routine, his school background. They went into all that. Where did it all start? And a lot of times you get asked that question, where did it all start? What caused this, right? Um, I'm I'm so overweight now. What really happened? What caused that, right? I am probably a good one too is this company went bankrupt overnight, which is such a myth, but it all started somewhere. So it all goes back to where did it start? And good bookkeeping is where it all starts with your business. It's going to be impacting the taxes that you pay, the strategies, the decisions that you make as a business owner. It is going to be impacting you in that way. It's going to also impact the value of your business. So that is why I cannot stress enough that good bookkeeping impacts your business in so many ways, right? So number one was the impact that it has on you paying too much taxes. Number two is not having good or accurate bookkeeping affects the value of your business. Like you can't pitch your business from how can you're approached by an investor, probably want to, partner with somebody or you're going for a huge contract, whatever it is. You can't be pitching or positioning your business from a box of receipts or a paper bag or, okay, I probably have this social media following. No, you need to have accurate reports, financial reports, which you position your business with, right? That's what you take to the bank if you want to get a loan or, a line of credit or things like those. So you need adequate bookkeeping to position your business properly, accurately. So that is another reason why you need to have accurate bookkeeping in your business and why it's going to cost you missed opportunities. So you might not be positioned properly, you go to the bank, things are too disorganized, you don't get the loan. You have an opportunity to partner with another company, you're disorganized, missed opportunity again. You are approached by an investor, a time-sensitive contract, right? Government tenders, all that, but because you are not positioned, it's cost your business. So missed opportunities right there. The opportunity cost comes into play as well, right? So that is another reason. Another reason too is you are making decisions and choosing certain strategy options which are not in the best interest of your business, and it's going to cost you again. So you might be in a position where you're saying, okay, let's enter this market, or let's start offering this product or this service for sale. However, when you in retrospect, when you look back, oh no, I should not have done this, because when you look at how strong your team was, or it could be how strong your cash flow was, it could also be how strong the expertise and all that of your team was, and that's all recorded in your financial reports. It's all there. But because you don't have because you have the incorrect information, you are making wrong decisions that do not help your business, decisions that cost you thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars as a business owner. So again, that is why it is so important to have good bookkeeping practices in your business. And it doesn't have to be you as the business owner personally doing your bookkeeping and keeping your information up to date. It can be someone on your team, or you can outsource it. But you need to be having that. I usually recommend, for various reasons, that as a business owner, you do outsource that function, or if you have somebody else who is qualified enough on your team to do that, because your time is so valuable as a business owner. So you always have to think about the opportunity cost of your time. What is the opportunity cost of your time, right? And your time is very expensive. Time is the most expensive resource when it comes to your business. And a lot of time, depending on how your business is set up, the time that you are putting into your business is not even adequately captured in the business. That's even another thing, right? You're not even paying yourself as a business owner. And that again is costing you as a business, because the correct amount is not being reflected in your business as well. So I want to also talk about that. A lot of times the practices or the way you manage your bookkeeping relates to your behavior as the business owner. A lot of the decision you're making in the business, a lot of the numbers, the outcome of what's happening in your business ties back to your behavior as a business owner. Yes, right? So 80% of the time, how you behave will impact the practices of your business. It will impact the processes that you have. It's going to impact if your business is profitable or not. So you are probably a person who you constantly procrastinate, and you're saying, okay, at tax time, I'll get it all caught up. That impacts your business because you are not going to place that importance of ensuring that your monthly reports, your monthly reporting is current, and you're not going to say, oh, you're not going to ensure that, okay, we need to have these documented correctly each month. You're not going to place that emphasis on it. So again, it goes back to your behavior. You might have certain emotional ties. You could be saying, okay, uh, I know this person is not doing a good job, but I'll just keep them on board. And it's a tough decision to say we have to part ties, or you might have to say you got to improve how you're working. So things like that will also be impacting how your books are kept, how your business, when it comes to your financial numbers, how they're being reviewed, how they're being reported as well. And it might seem far fetched, but it is really true. If you really examine your practices and how you operate your business, then you're going to see that, yes, it's really true. It does impact my business. This is something that I really need to do better at as a business owner. I need to really improve this area and so much more. So I do encourage you to look at where you are at in your business when it comes to your bookkeeping. How are you taking stock of your reporting? How are you keeping a track of your bookkeeping? What is really happening, right? Reflect on that. Be honest with yourself. Look at really what is happening in your organization. And also, just by doing that exercise, then you'll filter through to see, okay, the next step is to say, okay, it has really been costing us. We need to do better. We need to change. We need to really change here. So remember, not having good bookkeeping practices in your business costs you, and it costs you a lot, thousands of dollars. And it will be costing you because you are paying the wrong amount of taxes each year. You're not categorizing your transactions correctly. There is um uh you're not categorizing your transactions properly. And also, yeah, it just slipped me a minute there. You're not categorizing your transactions correctly. And also, you have unrecorded transactions. You have incomplete transactions. Transactions are not split correctly. You're not having the right split when it comes to taxes and the expense portion. If you probably have certain goods and services tax being applied. And also, you might purchase a piece of equipment, which is for long-term use in your business, and you're recording it as an expense. So you're missing out on certain deductions, tax credits, and all those. So it does end up costing you. It's going to impact your decisions because you don't have the right profit figure. You don't have the right amount that's in the bank. You're probably not even doing bank reconciliations on a monthly basis. So you have missing payments, which affect your taxes again, because remember, taxes based on your calendar year, January to December. So if you have payments that are missing from your January to December year, then it will again impact the taxes that you pay. So that is so important, why just having your books, on a effective system, a process will do so much for your business. It's going to change the game so much as a business owner. You're not assessing your key ratios, key metrics. You don't know where you stand in your industry with your competitors. And that is, again, another important piece to assess as a business owner. So you are not even sure what is really happening in your business. You're making decisions based on your instinct or your gut feeling. And I'll quickly say that instinct, gut feeling, they do have a place in your business. However, it should start with the numbers. Because, for example, if you're going to, and I was just talking about that earlier, you might say, okay, I think this is the right price point, $150. But when you assess all the costs that are, attributable to you producing this goods or service, it's 180. So already your price point is too low. So in instances like those, it goes back to having the accurate bookkeeping, which is going to help your business to soar. It's going to save you thousands and thousands of dollars on an annual basis in your business. So make sure that as a business owner, you are realizing the importance of having good bookkeeping in your business. You are realizing that it's no joke, right? And positioning just, okay, waiting until tax time when you're in a rush, just grab all your receipts. Your business is more than that, right? Not all your expenses are captured by receipts as well, right? There are e-transfers, there are other invoices, there are accruals. There's so much more that goes into capturing your expenses and your revenues, your transactions as a business owner. So if this is where you're at, you know you need to make that change as a business owner to ensure your bookkeeping is being done accurate. It's done in a much better way. I do encourage you to start that step with that change. You know, look at what's happening in your business and see, okay, I need to change this. I need to reach out for help. We need to do this differently, talking to your team, whatever it takes, be committed to ensuring that you do have accurate, processes in place in your business so that your bookkeeping is not haphazard, your bookkeeping is less at a risk for errors and being a victim of fraud as well. That's a big one, fraud, which I won't even start talking about as we wrap up here. So again, I do implore you as a business owner, reach out for help if you're struggling, if you know you can't figure this out on your own, reach out, but definitely be committed to setting up good bookkeeping practices in your business so that your business will not be losing thousands and thousands of dollars because of incorrect bookkeeping practices in your business. So signing off, this is Kersha Campbell. I am so passionate about helping your business owners, companies, organizations, just say goodbye to the financial chaos that exists, right? Saying goodbye to having more money leaving your business and coming in, saying goodbye to you not being profitable, not having cash in your bank account, and so much more. So signing off, guys. Bye. Thank you.